Hello guys, come and cook this achicha with me. This achicha is a gift given to me by a good Samaritan, someone that God will bless. And I've washed it. I washed this more than 10 times. And I've also cooked the beans. The beans we use for it is a special kind of beans called the fio or amobo. So that's what I'm using. The beans is done right now and I want to prepare this. Just follow me. Watch this and see the way I prepare my achicha. It's going to be delicious, trust me. Let me show you the way the kind of beans looks. It's called fio or abubu. This is the way it looks. Okay, so it's done right now. How you know it's done is when you bring it and press, you see how soft it is. So it's done. So it's time to introduce my achicha, to put my achicha inside. This is how to introduce the achicha inside the pot, inside the abubu. Tie it in a leather, in waterproof, so that water will not enter inside the achicha. I call it achicha in NSUKKA dialect. Some people call it achicha. See it, introduce it this way. And this again. So then you cover it. Now we add the oil. We use red oil for this delicacy. A lot of red oil. So, this is pepper. We chose to use green ones. You can decide to use red ones or any one you want. Put the cloth here. You turn well. We now add the cooked achicha. Can imagine the aroma in my kitchen right now. People that like oil bean, ukpaka, used to add it a lot of ukpaka. That is, if you like, it's optional. Wow, at this point my kitchen is scenting NSUKKA. It's time to taste. This is on another level. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is on another level. So come and bring your plate. Let me dish out yours. You can use any color of pepper you want. As far as it's pepperish, you can use it. But I preferred this green one, and it came out so nice and very tasty. Roughly blended. You won't blend it to be smooth, just roughly, because the green I'm seeing in the achicha is something else for me. Like, it's an appetizer on its own. See you in the next one. I'm still on You Promise, the Happiness Minister. Come and join me and eat this delicious delicacy from NSUKKA in Enugu State.